So Onwuyeme recently confirmed how far I'm go in my personal development fight against the Messiah complex, Christ complex. By the way, my shirt is from 48 Standard. IJ, one of my grandma's place, right? Ifeanyi, her first son, who had been away for over 27 years, and she was certain that he was dead, right? And she was completely no contact with him. He came back. In the midst of conversation one day, it became clear that the second son had been in touch with this man the entire time and kept his mother and father in the dark. The father was heartbroken, right? And this man refused to release the phone number of the brother, saying he didn't have it. Even the Oga, where he come back from abroad, sent 2M to him for the funeral, but Oga wepụtara ego ọbụla guy ụmụnne ndị nwanyị na ndị nwoke je mbimbi ego. They went borrowing to bury their father when this guy had 2M. It also came out that he has been insulting his mother. Now this guy now this fraud, now got this brother, this is elder brother, called phone number where mepe NIN. Yeah, obviously, ijili phone number madu mepe your NIN. The person can easily welcome the SIM back anytime, access your BVN, and access the Nigerian bank account. This is elder brother Yemepe in Nigeria. Fam, I was livid. The Messiah complex in me was sparking like high tension from Moa we lost or Wapu go do the goalie fall or now one no guy. Moa chogodu munye the fuck or someone who doesn't have the backing of his mother, who has broken his mother's heart, who killed his father, who probably uses jazz on his own family as well, amongst atrocities we don't know about. Even if he's an occultist, he's not grounded and on. The last time that I confronted a bully who was fucking with people, I sojourned to a very dark place and I almost never came out. Caught for 2 hard years, fam. Fucking sojourning from Anambra to Lagos every other month. Fucking stressful. So when moi wapo the annual theology, maybe I should just let them fight their fight. This type of shit that Messiah complex DB, as we say. So you have a way against Sinyalo mother account, but choose not to. One all DB Sikamwa Malebeda Milisi Mbafa Kamwa where Jebolon Zapota. So I've advised on how they should go about it, but I wanted so much to be Nyakano for Kamunyo Feka or Kumonso. Alos, guys, if you have not streamed Holy Ezumez, in Emelum obviously one of some more Melu. So go stream Holy Ezumez as your Igorfo or tutorial of Igorfo, or as a meditation tool, or all night, so you remember your dreams when you're sleeping. That's when you wake up. Yagazi.